AI data centers in space only make economic sense if SpaceX can reuse Starship rockets over and over again at an airline-like frequency. Today, a 1 gigawatt data center on Earth costs roughly $60 billion once you include GPUs, land, cooling systems, transformers, and other power infrastructure. About $25 billion of that cost comes from the physical data center that's wrapped around the chips, not the actual chips themselves. Orbital compute could remove a large portion of those costs because space does not need massive cooling facilities, the expense of land, or huge power infrastructure projects. Experts estimate that a 1 gigawatt cluster in space could eventually cost closer to $30 billion rather than $60 billion if Starship launches become cheap and reusable fast enough. That is why rapid, full reusability matters so much. SpaceX already lands the booster stage today. The harder problem is repeatedly using the second stage at a very high cadence. If they solve that problem, putting compute into orbit may become cheaper than building a giant AI cluster on Earth. Everything depends on whether Starship can launch, land, and relaunch often enough for the cost of getting hardware into orbit to fall below the cost of building massive physical infrastructure on Earth.